Hey guys, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create folders on Outlook. So for this tutorial all you have to go first on your Outlook, then go to inbox or draft anywhere. So uh, I'll click on inbox, then right click on it, and you can see there is a new folder here. So click on it, and you can type here your folder's name. So I'll write here friends. Okay, then go for OK. So you can see there is your folder here. So guys, this is how you can create folders on Outlook. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.